In some situations in Windows 11, we will need to create a mobile hotspot. In Windows 11, you can create a mobile hotspot. The first thing we'll need to do is open the operating system configuration. Open Windows Settings by hitting the Windows and I keys at the same time. You can also click on the Start menu and then select the Settings app. We'll need to navigate to Network and Internet from the left sidebar of the screen once we're in Settings. Then, on the right, we select Mobile Hotspot. When we enter the Mobile Hotspot area, we will notice a multitude of options. However, before we can activate it, we must first configure it. The first step is to ensure that we adjust Share My Internet connection from to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on our situation. If the computer is linked to the Internet by Ethernet connection or by cable, we will select Ethernet. If the computer is connected to the Internet with Wi-Fi, we will select Wi-Fi. Now we are going to have to choose how to share the connection. In general, it works better with Wi-Fi. However, we have the option of doing it via Bluetooth or, if Ethernet is available, via Ethernet. The following step will be to click on Properties and then Edit. Following that, we must configure the network's name, which can be whatever we like. A password will also be required for security reasons. To finish, we'll need to click Save. When we have everything precisely configured, we will need to activate it by clicking on the Mobile Access Point switch. How to use a mobile hotspot. The next step is to connect the other device to the Windows 11 hotspot, which is actually fairly simple. We will need to go to our device's network configuration to discover the previously made connection. It will have the name that we provided it previously. Push to connect, enter the password, and voila! Another thing to remember is that Windows 11 includes a power saver setting. If we want Windows to switch off the access point when no devices are connected to it, we should use the energy conservation mode. If you stayed until the end, please show your appreciation by liking the video. Also, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more tech videos. Have a great day.